Scientists have collected sounds from all over our planet. They've even got some from the depths of the ocean. But there's one sound that scientists still can't explain. And it's a sound that might be hiding an entire universe. The engine worked by throwing a sphere out of a rocket at high speed. But as soon as the sphere left the rocket, it made a sound. But how exactly was the gas making the noise? So if the sound was being produced by gas molecules vibrating in space, why could we hear it here on Earth? Well, it turned out that the vibrations from the gas molecules were so strong that they actually created a small sonic boom that could be heard all the way from space to Earth's atmosphere. Well, researchers realized that the gas molecules were vibrating really fast, so fast that it was making the air molecules around them vibrate. It's filled with what's called quantum foam, an ever-changing landscape of particles that pop in and out of existence. And these particles can interact with other particles, like the ones in our hydrogen cloud, causing them to vibrate. And those vibrations were what we heard as the whistling rocket, but that we can detect through the effects they have on things that we can see and hear. So maybe there's a whole universe of sounds out there that we're just not listening to. And by sound, I mean this. Scientists couldn't believe what they were hearing. They named the mysterious noise the whistling rocket. And for decades, they had no idea where the noise was coming from. You see, this mystery started back in 1970 when scientists launched a rocket into space to test a new type of engine. Eventually they discovered that the noise was being produced by a cloud of hydrogen gas that surrounded the Earth. But here's the thing. We can hear sounds only if they have something to do with vibrations that happen on Earth. And while scientists figured out how this particular sound was made, they also realized that it revealed something truly mind. You see, in order to produce a sound, you need a source of energy, like a speaker vibrating because electricity is flowing through it. But the gas molecules don't have any energy source. They're just floating around in the middle of space doing their thing. So the question became, what was vibrating the gas molecules in the first place? Well, the answer surprised scientists. It turned out that the gas molecules were being vibrated by a kind of energy that does not come from anything we can see or hear. It comes from empty space itself. That's right. The energy came from nothing. Or to be more precise, it came from quantum fluctuations. You see, in quantum mechanics, empty space isn't really empty. So we may never know exactly what's causing the whistling rocket sound. But it has taught us that there are kinds of energy all around us that we can't see or hear. Thanks for watching.